In the ultra-luxury world of Rolls-Royce, elegance, refinement, and tasteful personalization are often the names of the game. But every so often, a build comes along that completely throws the rulebook out the window. And this 2025 Rolls-Royce Cullinan might be one of the most striking examples yet. Priced at an eye-watering $638,600, this factory-customized SUV looks like something straight out of Mansory's garage, except it was ordered directly from Rolls-Royce itself. Let's start with the exterior. This isn't your typical black or silver Cullinan. No, the owner of this particular unit went with a bold orange metallic paint job that screams for attention. And while that alone is unconventional for a Rolls-Royce, it's not what pushes this SUV into over-the-top territory. The real talking point is the combination of aesthetic choices that make this Cullinan appear more like an aftermarket showpiece than a luxury cruiser. The silver and black alloy wheels, for instance, seem at odds with the rest of the build. Instead of blending in or complementing the body color, they clash, especially with the bright blue brake calipers hiding behind them. It's a loud choice, and depending on who you ask, it's either daring or disastrous. But the real jaw-dropper comes when you open the doors. Inside, this Cullinan offers one of the most polarizing interiors ever seen in a factory Rolls-Royce. Think Mansory-level boldness, but all done in-house. The two-tone leather theme mixes bright blue and orange across nearly every surface. The seats are covered in blue leather with orange bases, orange piping, orange stitching, and even orange seatbelt buckles, a level of detail that leaves no part untouched. The same bold color scheme dominates the door panels, lower dashboard, and center consoles, extending from the front to the rear. Even the steering wheel wears a matching mix of orange and black leather. Yet the most jarring detail? The interior orange is not the same shade as the exterior, which creates a visual dissonance that's hard to ignore. Now, to be fair, Rolls-Royce offers nearly unlimited customization through its Bespoke program, and if a client can dream it, the Goodwood-based brand will make it happen. That's part of what makes Rolls-Royce so exclusive. Buyers get exactly what they want. But, as this Cullinan proves, money doesn't always buy taste. Still, the price tag reflects the exclusivity of this build. At $638,600, it's significantly more expensive than the new Cullinan Series 2, which starts just north of $400,000 in the US. The markup is clearly due to the extensive customization, though whether these upgrades enhance or detract from the luxury appeal is highly subjective. Currently listed for sale at Rolls-Royce Motor Cars Washington, this SUV is more than just a means of transport. It's a statement, a rolling conversation piece that challenges the boundaries between luxury and excess. Some may call it art, others might say it's an aesthetic nightmare. But one thing is certain, no one will forget it. In an era where personalization is king and automotive identity is more expressive than ever, this Cullinan pushes the envelope. Whether it's admired or criticized, it proves that even Rolls-Royce isn't immune to the wild side of design.